All right, so A was done, so that was part A. And part B, they asked us to express P in terms of A and N. And they only gave us the selling price, SP, which is equal to 8A. And they gave us the profit as P. So how do you get the profit? Profit is equal to how much money I'm selling something for, so the selling price minus the cost, right? So that would be a profit. So in here, profit is still P. The selling price is 8A. And the cost, using your answer in part A, because they don't want C in my answer. So the C needs to convert to A and N's only. So we have 3A over N. And since this is a minus, it affects both terms. So 8A minus 3A is 5A. But this minus also changes this one to minus as well. And that's equal to P. And that's P in terms of A and N, because you only have A's and N's in there. And then, so that's part one. And in part two, they gave us a ratio. The ratio is P over N is equal to 5 over 32. And if you look at it, P can be rewritten as that. So we have 5A minus 40A squared over N divided by N equals to 5 over 32. In here you can do it two ways. First is recognize there's a 5 in all the three terms, which you can simplify. So this will be 1, this will be 8, because 5 times 8 is 40. And you take away this 5, so leaving an 8. But we just do the normal way, just times the 32 over to the top. So you got 32 times the 5A minus 48 squared is equal to 5 times the N over. And when you times it in, 32 times 5, 160. And 32 times 40, 1280. So it's 1280 A squared over N. And remember, if I have an N as my denominator, I multiply the N here, here, and here. The denominator will be gone for the N. So multiply the N, so 5N squared. Multiply N here, that gets rid of the denominator. And by multiplying an N here, it will be AN. And you should be able to recognize that this is also a quadratic equation. Because it's 160, you minus it over, and then you add the 1280 square, and then 0, 0. Why is it quadratic? Because you can see there's an n square term and an a square term, but in the middle you should have half of that, that's a there, and then there's n there. So this is also a quadratic. And if you're going to put these 6 numbers into the formula number 1, 5, negative 160, and this positive 1280. So it's 16. So 16. So 16 you change it to minus 16, right? And the first term is a n, and the last term is a a. And you can see the answer is the same, so it's square. So basically, n minus 16a is 0. Now go back to the question. It's I want a over n. So I have to add the 16a to the other side. And it wants a over n, right? So a needs to be on the top of the fraction. So that means a stays here and get the n to be divided over. And there's a 1 left over on the left. So the 16 would then divide to the opposite side. So a over n is 1 over 16. So to answer that question, a to n is equal to 1 to 16. that would be part B's answer for B2. Okay, so there. Pause it. Thank you.